Welcome. This will be the last challenge for this section. Okay, so this challenge asks us to create a user profile generator that asks for the username, the age of the user, ask if they have a pet, ask their favorite color, generate a formatted profile with all information provided, and you convert age to Boolean if they are adult or not. Okay, so to solve that, the first thing we are going to ask for is their name according to the challenge. So we are going to say input, or we can say, instead of saying what is your name this time around, we can say enter your name. Okay, so after that we can say age. Okay, age text, because age is going to be provided for us as a string. We can say input, then we can say enter. Okay, this is enter your age. All right. Okay, and after that, what are we getting? We want to ask if they have a pet. Okay, so we can say pet text. Okay, so we can say input. So we can provide, you can say, do you have a pet? Okay, so that is going to be the true or false. That's the answer we are expecting from the user. True or false answer. We can change this all to /. Okay, I think that is more mature. Then we can have color. Okay, that's their favorite color. Our user favorite color is equal to, so we can say input. Okay, you can say what is your favorite color, right? Favorite goes with an E. Okay, all right, so we'll be getting all the input from the user. If we run this now, then you're going to have enter your name. Let's say my name is Otoyosi. All right, enter your age. Let's say I'm 14. Do you have a pet? True or false? I do not have, so I'm going to say false. All right, what is your favorite color? I do not have one. Let me just say blue. Okay, all right, so we have our code working up to this point. So the next thing is we are supposed to generate a formatted profile with all information provided. So let's create our profile now. Okay, let's provide the comments here. We can say get user input. Okay, get user input. All right, now I want to create, let's have a comment. We can say create a formatted. Okay, we have profile. All right, let me go home with a space here. So I can say profile. All right, you can be printing it step by step, but we are going to combine everything into a single string. And to create a multi-line string, we use the triple quotes. Okay, so we use triple quotes to create multi-line strings. All right, so we can come here, you can say, we can give it a heading of, let's say, user, all right, profile. Okay, so we can say name is going to be, okay, this is going to be f string. So we have we are going to put f here. All right, so we have name to be name. All right, so the following is age, then we have age to be age. All right, next line we have is adult. Is adult, we have is adult. We use age to verify if the user is adult or not. So to get that, we are supposed to say if age is either greater than or equal to 18. Okay, so we can come here. We don't want to do it inside of our profile. We can say is adult. Okay, is adult is going to be equal to, or if age is greater than or equal to, let's say 18, right? But at this point, age is a string. As you can see, there's a yellow squiggly line there, which is a notification, which is a prompt given to us by PyCharm that PyCharm is expecting string, but it got integer. So we cannot compare a string and an integer. So we are going to convert this to an integer using the int function. So we have int here, right? Okay, so that is going to convert this. So we have is adult. So we're going to have is adult here. This is adult is going to be a Boolean. All right, if age is greater than 18. Okay, age is not existing. So here we are supposed to have age text, not don't have age. Age does not exist. Okay. So the next thing is does our user aspect. So as you can see here, what will be returned by input is going to be a string. So we need to convert it into Boolean. You can as well pass it like that because our user is already providing a string. We can as well pass the string like that. So we can say pet text. Okay. So it's going to be either true or false. We can as well convert it to normal Python Boolean, but that is not necessary in this case. All right. So we have a favorite color. Don't forget that we are generating a profile for our user from the input. So it's going to be color. All right. Now we are going to print the user profile. So I'm going to print profile. Now let's run this. So you have enter your name. Name is Toyosi. All right. How old are you? Let's say I'm 16 now. Do you have a pet? Let's say I have now. Even though I don't have, what's my favorite color? I don't have one. Let me pick what? Let me pick yellow. All right. So this is our user profile. You see? Okay. User profile. Name is Toyosi. Age is 16. It's adult, false, aspect, true, favorite color, yellow. So you can see now that at this point, we cannot distinguish the end of our prompt from our output. So let's use what we are going to do is we can put a new line syntax here. Okay. So if we run that again, what's your name? Let's say my name is John now. What's your age? John is 17 now. Does John have a pet? Let's say false. John doesn't have a pet. What is Mr. John's favorite color? We can say brown. All right. I don't think anyone has brown as their favorite color. All right. So now we have the user profile separated from the input using the new line syntax. That will be all for this challenge. We'll see you in the next one.